Alright, we are here at the Rosen Plaza. Oh wow, I think they modded these because, well, I mean, I wasn't so sure if they were going to mod them or not, because when I was here a year ago, some of them were the same on the inside, even with the new indicators, but looks like they indeed modded them. Yep, they did. Just like the Rosen Centre.
Floor 14.
Are you getting off any? Is this working? Okay, have a nice day. I had gotten word from one of my commenters that, because I mean, I wasn't so sure if they were getting modded at first, because some of them, like on the first floor, they already had like the new indicators. But they were working and were original inside. But then I got word that from one of my commenters that the elevator that was out of service in my video of these when they were original had new lanterns, so I wasn't so sure if they were getting modded or not, but it looks like they did. At least I got a video of these when they were original. But yeah, another pointless mod job. But I mean, it's okay. I do like the blue indicator more than the one the Rosen Centre has.
Floor 14.
It's got your newer Schindler voice. I'm gonna send that one down. Yeah, they modded them all, wow. This one actually didn't take as long, obviously. I'm gonna get a little look around. There's a view out. There's vending. I would assume that's where the service ones are. All right, let's go down. This one. And we'll head on down on this car. I believe I got a cab view, but I will get another just in case. They're relatively nice. High. The wood is nice. But I do wish these still had the RT fixtures though. Here on 1.
Floor 1.
My ears popped. And there it goes. That is gonna be it.